Wow, the grass is so green.
I know, right?
Yeah. Stop controlling me to be your friend. Wendy.
Ah!
Wendy, Lemmy.
We're right
Lemmy,
here.
Wendy.
Right here.
Lemmy. Oh.
That's not funny.
Sorry, I was just really like happy.
What?
Oh, I just wanted to say to you both, thank you so much for making me this grilled cheese sandwich. The grilled cheese sandwich?
We
Yes.
didn't make you that.
Well, yes, I did.
No, we
Then
didn't.
who else made it? Kathy was here with me the whole time, right, Kathy?
Yeah.
So it has to be you. So I just wanted to say, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Even though I make y'all do everything for me, I just wanted to say thank you.
No, that's
And how'd y'all know I was craving some grilled cheese?
what the,
We didn't even know you. We didn't even make this.
we're very thankful that you said that to us, and it means a lot coming from you. But we didn't make that.
Oh, okay. Then I take all of what I said back. So who did make this? Whatever. Okay, go back to whatever y'all do. I'm gonna enjoy this grilled cheese. Go! 30 minutes later. And that's why I think Fortnite is better than all the other games combined.
Okay.
Well,
That guy doesn't talk.
he talked last episode.
Yeah, he only talks gibberish now. You traumatized him.
What?
But now he doesn't talk.
Lemmy, Wendy! Oh, my dad's calling me. I'll be right back. Lemmy! What do you want, Dad?
Okay.
I just wanted to say, I don't want another grilled cheese sandwich.
What do you mean?
Y'all made me another grilled cheese sandwich. I just finished this sandwich like 10 minutes ago. And I look back, I turn around, and it's here again. Stop making me grilled cheese. This isn't funny. We didn't make grilled cheese. Yeah, Kathy, did you see them? Did you see anyone make this?
No.
Exactly. So it was y'all both. The only ones here that can do that is you, Lemmy. I don't know why I called you Wendy. I just like calling your name. You know I named you after
We didn't do that.
I named you after the restaurant. You know that, right? Because
Imagine being named a restaurant.
Because I hate Wendy's. And they remind me of your mom, and I hate her.
Dang, that's messed up. So why did you date her?
Because I wanted kids. Oh, okay, well, we didn't make that. You can wait 5 minutes, and it's still gonna be quiet. Let me finish.
Okay.
Look, I don't care. You could have used your powers or not. I don't care what y'all did. Just stop making me a grilled cheese. I don't want this.
We didn't make it.
That who made it?
You.
I'm too lazy to make it. I would have called y'all to make it, but y'all already did.
Dang.
Okay, I guess I'll eat it. Just stop. Y'all can go back to y'all's rooms. Come on!
Whoa, look at that. That's a
Stop controlling me!
Look how cool that shell is. Right?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Stop controlling me! Wendy, Lemmy!
Oh my god!
What do you want, Dad?
What?
Stop making me grilled cheese.
We didn't make you grilled cheese.
So who did, huh?
You.
I'm full, alright? I was full after the first one, and then the second one I was already full enough. And y'all just calling me fat.
You are fat.
Yeah, but you're fatter. Like your mom.
You wish.
No, you are fat. Look at you
wish
compared to
I was
Lemmy.
fat.
You are. You literally rumbled the whole table when you jumped right there.
You wish.
Whatever, stop making me this. You know what? Y'all have it. Y'all have it. Have a taste of your own food. Stop making me this.
Well, we're not hungry.
Oh, the news is on. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Cat 5 News.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Anyway, welcome today to Cat 5 News. Today we have very shocking news for you today. Today, random grilled cheese sandwiches are popping up all over the universe. Ew. I
Yes.
see your butt.
There are so many grilled cheeses around here, like today at the mall. People were dying because of grilled cheeses. You know, this may seem like a good thing, but too much cheese to a lactose intolerant person can make them poop a lot. You know that? And if you eat grilled
No,
cheese...
actually, let's, let me make it part.
Be quiet!
No, I told me to be quiet.
Go! There's a grilled cheese right in front of us! Guys,
It's deadly. It's deadly.
we gotta get this out of here, bro.
Deadly.
Okay, anyways. If you see... More! If you see any grilled cheeses, run immediately. No one knows where these grilled cheese are coming from. And grilled cheese don't have an infinite supply of themselves. So someone is doing this. Someone. The real question is, who is doing this?
You literally look like a grilled cheese sandwich.
I'm a sponge, okay?
With the big
And you
forehead. With the big forehead.
And you literally saw a grilled cheese just fly out of the sky.
Yeah, that looked exactly like you. Square head, square head, square head. Well, that's the end of Cat 5 News.
See, I told you it wasn't us. Who could be making this? Who is responsible for this? Grilled cheese.
Well, it has to be like somebody who makes grilled cheese sandwiches like really bad.
No one makes grilled cheese sandwiches in the world. That's not possible. Unless...
We could look in Guinness World Records.
At what?
Guinness World Records.
What is that for?
You know, to see who has the longest thing.
But what does that to do with grilled cheese?
Who, like, it's like who made the most grilled cheese sandwiches in 1 minute. Or 30 minutes. 1 hour.
Alright, I need y'all to find out who this grilled cheese person is.
Why us?
And kill him. Because they're insulting me. They gave me the most grilled cheese in the beginning. They were calling me fat. I hate when people call me fat.
You are fat.
Ah!
That is the truth.
My feet!
Your feet are fat.
No, they're black. They're brown. They're dirty.
Oh no, so mine.
Find out who did this.
Okay. Dang.
Come on, Kathy!
Oh, yes, sir. Whee! I came in like a wrecking ball.
Alright, we gotta find out who did this.
That's probably you.
Come on!
Okay. Where are we going? How do we even know if we find a clue for grilled cheese?
If we see a grilled cheese that doesn't look like it's supposed to be there, then it's not supposed to be there. And it's a clue.
Okay.
Like that!
Oh my gosh! Is she dead?
Let's hope not, because then we're gonna look like we're the ones who killed her, because we're... Come on.
She looks dead.
Hello? Why are you so tall? What happened?
Hello, my name is Cutie.
What?
My name is Cutie.
Cutie?
Yes. I'm going through puberty.
Wrong is this what puberty sounds like. Back up!
Girls don't go through puberty.
Back up!
Why?
You're too close. Go like right here.
Okay.
Thank you.
To kick you with.
Okay, why was this grilled cheese on your head?
I don't know. Well, I was like reading a book, and like a random grilled cheese fell over my head.
I can just imagine that.
And I died.
What?
I died. And it gave me a huge pimple.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
It's not your piece.
Whatever, man.
Ah.
We're trying to help you.
With what?
If we can find out who this person's doing this, we can stop them and stop you from dying all these times. They'll tell us, did you see anyone around that didn't look like they were supposed to be here?
Yeah, that grilled cheese and you.
No, other than us and the grilled cheese. Where did the grilled cheese come from?
The sky.
There's no way it's raining grilled cheeses. This isn't cloudy with a chance of meatballs.
Wish.
Wow, you're so ugly. You're not help. Come on, let's go. Come on! No, not you. Let's-
Oh wait, she's doing this one.
Let's go. What the heck? Who's that?
Why is he crying?
Ask him.
Why are you crying, you big baby?
Huh?
You burger baby.
Huh?
Burger baby, burger baby.
Huh?
Why are you crying?
Because someone insulted me with grilled cheese. I'm a burger restaurant man, not a grilled cheese restaurant man. They're insulting me, saying that grilled cheese is better than me.
Actually, they are.
Who did this? Did you see anyone who did this? Yeah. Who? I don't know. You!
Ah!
It was you!
Ah!
Why are you screaming?
Because he said it was me.
No, not you, the other guy. Me? Yes, it was you! You were the person that did this. You are going to pay! I didn't do this! I didn't do this. I'm calling 911 right now.
Oh my gosh, don't call it on Lemmy. I didn't see him do anything.
It was him. And I've seen y'all on the news once. You have powers.
Yeah,
Great
actually-
powers that can make imaginary things. You made this with your imaginary powers! And now you are going to pay the consequences.
What? No, I didn't.
Control him!
I can't control another Koopaling.
No, him! He's not even a Koopaling.
Oh. You sound like a dying dolphin.
What?
Tell me who really gave you the grilled cheese.
Someone. Him. What? It was him. Except he had glasses on. Glasses? Glasses? What?
What?
Describe him. He had long hair going straight up. Like yours. He had those bracelets. Like you. He looked ugly. Like you. His eyes were huge. Like you. He was kind of fat. Actually, he was not fat at all. The opposite of your sister.
Dang, that's messed up.
Anyways, that's all I had to spare to offer. He was like you, but bigger. Like you when you if you aged more. That gives us clues. Maybe it was a Koopaling.
Wait, what?
Maybe it was a Koopaling that did this.
Oh, that actually makes more sense because you know. Oh, but which one? There's like 1,000,000 Koopalings.
I don't know. But kill that guy because I don't like him.
Okay. You're welcome. Heal me.
Thanks. No, I don't have to worry about him anymore. That Koopaling did this.
That sounded like Iggy.
Iggy, nah, he ran away when we were like born. There's no way this is him.
It could be. That sounded exactly like Iggy.
It's not gonna be Iggy.
I was like 1 year older than you.
Ah!
I know what Iggy sounds like.
No. How do you know what Iggy sounds like?
I seen him since I was 2.
But how do you remember?
Cause I'm 2.
Oh my god, you're so ugly, bro.
He was 3 years older than me.
Okay, but what was the point of flying in the air?
I don't know. That's Iggy. That's definitely Iggy.
How do you know that wasn't me?
Cause you're ugly.
That has nothing to do with anything.
Cause he's not ugly and you're really
Okay,
ugly.
we gotta find Iggy. Come on.
Okay.
Man, where did that girl go? It's just this ugly cupcake with the hat on.
Nobody came to my birthday party.
Huh?
What birthday party? My birthday party. I only saw this weird guy with glasses and big round eyes. And he looked like a plant was coming up his hair. You look really ugly. like you.
Be quiet, at least people
you.
show up on my at least people show up to my birthday party.
You regret that.
Why would we regret that? We'll be right back. Come on!
Oh my god.
Be big enough! Hey, you stopped our thing.
Oh yeah, this is traumatized, dude.
I literally created you. Oh,
Yeah, he said you traumatized me and I'm forever scarred.
Who laughs like that? That's not Iggy.
That's Iggy!
Who
You
laughs
don't
like-
even know who Iggy is, you're too young!
Look, let's get this out of here. I don't even know why we're doing this. But if there's one thing a Koopaling wants, it's more power. So if
Parent control!
no. If we leave our wands around, it's gonna attract him.
How do we get him out of our hands? Dad really screwed it on. He glued it on our hands so that way we can never take it off.
You're right. Never mind. Take that back.
He said maybe you could lower Lemmy to you. You know, use like a lot of your power, and then it like lower him. Oh, never mind. He said the opposite of that.
So if we don't use any power at all, he's gonna come here.
Yeah.
But we haven't used our power since.
Well, listen to the man. You traumatized him. He said no. He said no.
I'm sorry for traumatizing you, but I gotta kill you.
Oh my god, you traumatized him even more.
Look, I'm sorry.
You like paralyzed him. Well, he was a dead meme, you know. Ew.
Look, I don't want any grilled cheese laying around here. We have to stop this man. How do we?
Ow!
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Well, he had all the good ideas, so just kill me too.
I didn't create you.
Oh yeah, who did?
The Barbie girl. What? Yeah, it is I, Iggy. What?
Iggy?
Iggy?
I called it. I knew it was Iggy.
Yeah, you're even uglier than I saw you. When I saw you. You're much fatter.
You're even fatter than me. You have the ugliest colors in the whole entire universe. Your hair looks like throw up.
Be quiet. Your wand doesn't even match you.
Actually, it does purple.
No, it doesn't. Purple and pink, that looks so ugly together.
No,
At least mine matches me.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, mine matches me too.
You look...
Okay, you just right that I gotta glow up.
You're yellow and you're green and then purple doesn't match.
What do you mean? What do you, do they do green and purple match? What do you think the Joker
And
wears?
blue? I wear blue.
I'm not even wearing blue.
No, you have blue eyes. That doesn't even match with anything.
Neither does yours.
Actually, it does perfectly. I think I look beautiful.
No, you don't. Here, you know what? For being so ugly, have more food.
Ah!
Wow, how did you even call it? Where's the cheese?
Down there.
Yeah, it's so destroyed now.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Look, just stop this madness. No, I would never stop this madness. I love making grilled cheese for everyone and making food for everyone. Everyone loves grilled cheese.
Nobody loves grilled cheese.
And why did you only make an appearance now? Because I was waiting.
I thought you were in daycare.
Huh?
I thought you were in daycare.
I was, and then I escaped. I escaped. Because you can't keep me in there forever. Huh? Huh, Bowser? Bowser! It's really hot in here. Can we settle this like somewhere else?
Sure.
Where is there else to celebrate or settle this? Look, just face it. Just give me your gems.
Why? Your grilled cheese doesn't even do anything.
It does.
It's just grilled cheese.
Everyone loves grilled cheese. If it doesn't do anything, why is the whole world freaking out about it?
I don't know. Because you're ugly.
No one has even seen me. If I never said
That
anything.
burger guy saw you.
I told him to say what he said, and you killed him. I haven't killed a single person.
You killed him from disgustingness.
Anyways, time to die. I like being here. Like,
Can't kill another Koopaling.
I can't. But a grilled cheese can. What is a grilled cheese gonna do? Help! He's eating me! I told you.
That was the ugliest grilled cheese like you.
You're just jealous.
Am I jealous?
I know grilled cheese weakness.
Ooh.
Water.
Oh yeah, water's like the worst with grilled cheese.
Nah, I could just make a million more. I have no limits. I'm not like you.
Magic water.
That's not how it works.
Yes, you can.
That's not how it works.
It is.
What do you want me? I can just pee.
Oh yeah, that's true. Okay, go.
Ugh, I don't want to.
I need to.
Don't.
Says who?
Me. Because then it's gonna be nasty.
You're nasty.
Look! I'm tired of this! And all this time that you've been waiting, I've been building it. The ultimate grilled cheese monstrosity.
Yeah. You? Is it you? Is it you?
No! I call it the grilled cheese.
It doesn't even look like a grilled cheese.
Now it does. Kill him, grilled cheese! Ah! Oh, thanks.
I can mind control it.
It's a robot. Dumb.
Die.
Oh man, I must have forgot the batteries.
Die.
Okay, enough!
Die. Die.
I'm not even finished with it yet.
Die.
Look, I'll stop doing this, alright? I'll stop making grilled cheeses if we can go somewhere else, because it's really hot in here. Come on, let's get out of here.
Okay. Nice.
Are y'all coming too?
No, actually, we're gonna keep rap battling. How are you still alive?
I don't understand him. Come on!
Okay. Okay.
Where are they? Where'd they go? Okay, thanks. Oh man, I feel so much better in here than I did out there. Oh my gosh. I could barely breathe in there. It's so hot. I don't understand how my health.
No, you're just a wimp.
Huh?
You're just a wimp.
Nah, it was actually kind of hot in there.
No, you guys are just wimps.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
We're not.
You're younger than me, so you don't realize.
Oh gosh, man, that pool was really good.
Dad, look who we found.
Dad? Son? Dad, I missed you. Me too.
Is he like your favorite child?
Yes.
He died. He fell off the bed.
No. I knew he was here the whole time.
Why didn't you just get him?
What?
Why didn't you just get him?
What?
Why didn't you just rescue him by yourself?
Because I was too lazy. And I love when y'all do my dirty work. And here y'all go. There's reward for doing all this.
Oh, you know what? We had enough of grilled cheese.
I don't think we even ate a single grilled cheese this whole time.
You can eat it.
And now, wait, come back! Y'all have a new person to help y'all out when y'all go on adventures.
Oh no.
Ree! What is he gonna do, huh? At least whenever we use our powers, we have something strong. He just has grilled cheese. What's he gonna do? Throw grilled cheese at the opponent? I mean, like, yeah.
I mean, he could eat it. He could just get full and he could explode.
Why would the opponent eat it?
Because they could like block him, you know, like.
No.
Well then, how does this feel? He looks dead.
Tastes so nasty. Why is it destroyed into like a million pieces?
I think he's running out of power.
I'm so sorry, guys.
It's okay.
It's just all my life everyone's hated me and called me annoying.
You are pretty annoying.
I hate you.
Me too.
I'm tired of this. I'm leaving again.
What? Why?
So we spent $20 for no reason? What? Nothing. I'm leaving. I have no part in this story anymore.
Okay, bye. Nobody cares about you.
So I spent $20 on nothing for on Amazon? What? $20 down the drain for nothing. You know, when you're older, you'll understand.
What's Amazon?
Yeah.
The Amazon? From the Amazon rainforest? You wouldn't understand unless you're younger. Okay, I'm just gonna leave now. It's okay, you could talk free now. Nobody's here.
I don't think I'll be able to make it out anymore.
No, we aren't. I'd have to leave.
My time is almost up again. A couple more seconds, I'm gonna die.
What?
But before I die, I'd like to give you something.
What?
My hat.
No, not your hat! Ew.
I gotta show this to Mario.
To be continued.